I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DHgate app. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of DHgate. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about DHgate. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.